Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over how you can easily create Shopify dropshipping ads. This is going to be using a completely online editor, and it is completely free as well, so you don't have to go buy any complicated video software or any expensive video software and then learn all the ins and outs. I'm using a free online tool that lets you take existing templates so you can create these dropshipping video ads extremely quickly. Now this is advantageous because you're going to be testing quite a few products out. You don't want to spend 10-20 hours on a product that isn't going to work. You also want to make sure you have different variations, and using pre-built templates makes it super easy to do that. Make sure you stay until the end of the video as I'll go step by step how you can create your very own Shopify dropshipping ads using this online video creator tool. Before I dive into it, I want to thank our sponsor CALC, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations on how your store is actually performing and how profitable it actually is. You also get a ton of other detailed analytics to give you a true understanding of your store's performance. This is going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your store, so you'll have so much more time on your hands. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial. And I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
In order to create our Shopify dropshipping ads here, we're going to use the one and only Canva. I've been using Canva for many years now, and it's a great tool that it is free to use, and I have tons of pre-built templates in just about every category you need. And so in this video, we're going to be utilizing their video templates to create different product ads here. So the product I'm going to advertise today or create a video for is going to be this telescopic strong light USB flashlight. What I'm going to do is first grab an image of the product that we can use in the ad here. So once that's screenshot, let's dive over to the Canva video editor. So once you're on the Canva homepage, you can head to create design in the top right. There's tons of different templates you can choose from. If I search video ad, it's going to give me several different pre-built template options here. I'm actually going to keep this to just an Instagram ad here just for the sake of the video and the formatting. I'm going to leave it as Instagram post video. So it's going to give me 1080 by 1080. So once I click that, it's going to give me the pre-built size template here. And on the left hand side, you're going to see thousands of different templates for thousands of different products. If I search product in the top left here, I'm going to get different product specific templates. I'm going to keep things simple here and just select this template here. Then I'm going to go in and change the colors. So I'm going to add multiple pages here. So these are multiple different templates. So I'm going to add the first one by clicking the plus button. I'm going to add the second one by hitting the plus button again. Now I want to hit add as a new page. That's going to be a 10-second video ad here with two different pages. One is going to show off an image of the product. The second one will be a call to action asking them to shop now. So I've already uploaded my product image here. This is going to be the flashlight. This is what I'm going to use as the center. And I'm going to have some type of transition bringing it in. Now I have removed the background here. I just used the Max default background remover in preview. You can use almost any background tool to remove the basic white background of your image. Now if we first play this video, we can see what the basic template is going to look like. So you can have your different animations show up for the product. That's going to be one page. It's going to move on to the second one with a few more animations. Now for the sake of this video here, I'm not going to add too many different complex animations or too many new elements. What I'm going to do, however, is change the colorway and add my product image here so you can see what it looks like with a different style. So what I'm going to do first is I want to add an animation to my product. So I'm just going to delete this product here, put mine in front. I want to get it behind this little star here. So if you hit position in the top right, I want to head it backwards until it shows up in front. And so just like that, it's going to show up in there. Make this a little smaller. I'm actually just going to drag this over here. That's my product inside the image. And if you click on the image here, there's going to be an animate button in the center top. And you can decide what type of animation you want to include it in. I'm just going to select wipe here. I think that looks good enough. I'm going to name the brand Flashlight Inc. I don't have a Shopify store for this, so I'm just going to call it like that there. I'm going to say 50% off, flash sale, about 50% off in this little star as well. I'm going to head to the AliExpress page here. I'm just going to go to reviews to get a few commonly used terms for this item to see what people say about the product. You can see a lot of people are saying shines brightly. That tends to be a valuable characteristic here. I can see shines loudly. But back to my product ad here, I can probably say something along the lines of shines brightly for when you need it. Just something basic here, just for now here. I'm not going to spend too much time on the copy. So let's see basic text and layout here. Let's head over to our second page here. It's going to be the call to action. I'm just going to say click below to get yours. Well, supplies last here. So something really basic. I'm going to put that one below to kind of even out. I'm going to move this one down one, and then just going to leave it basic like that there. So next, let's change the colors here just to add a little more style here. So I can see the flash is going to be black with a little bit of green here. So I'll probably go for a black background and then have green as the popping color or the call to action color. So let's change this yellow here. Let's select some type of black. Let's leave it that. For this one, I'll probably leave it as a gray. I would like the product image to show up a little stronger. So let's give it a light gray. So now let's select the green here. Let's just select this basic green. Actually, I take that back. Let's select a bright green. So it's going to pop a little more. So let's look at a few of them here. So let me select that one. If I go to this element here, I can then change it to the same green. If I go to the 50% off sale, you can see it's under an effect and transparency. Select that same green. Bottom here, I'll probably just leave that a black. I could also do like expand this text here. It's probably a little hard to read. So let's just make it really big. So no matter where you're looking at it, it's going to be easy to read as a 50% off flash sale. Let's do the same for this flashlight element here. I want that to be easy to read as well, or easy to see. Let's bring this down to make it a little more center. Let's stay this one up here. Let's just keep that for now. And then if I now go and play it, you can see the colorway for this product ad. And so let's do the same quickly on this page. So let's go to the background, put a black. I'm going to give these grays so they're a little further back and they're not going to pop like the middle one is. So again, under effects, if I go to the green again, and I might just add like an arrow. So if I search for arrow in the elements tab here on the left, go to all. There are a few graphics here. There are also some animating graphics. Let's just stick with this animated graphic here, and it's just going to click below or point for the customer to click below of the ad. There's also the ability to add music here. So if you go to the left hand side, you can add different audios to your ads here. One thing to note is I would check the copyright. I would have to check that again for this video before you put it in a video ad. But if you have your own music as well, you can put that in. So now if we play this video ad from the beginning, you can see our animation shows up. I may even shorten this a little. I think 4 seconds is a little long just for staring at an ad. Let's change this to around 2.5. Let's restart it again. So 50% off sale. Then it's going to transition to the second element to say click below to get yours where supplies last. Something else I could do is add the same product image here to remind the customer what this video ad is about. So overall, this is going to conclude the video here. Just to create basic Shopify dropshipping video ads using Canva. It is completely free, which is super awesome. This can be great if you're testing out quite a few products and you don't want to pay a video editor or create really high quality ads using more advanced software. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time. The one-click profit calculator available for the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description below to access a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.